Personalized Learning Styles Matter, a conversation on self-awareness and school reform. Hello, I would like to begin a conversation about why education must embrace personalized learning styles to unlock every student's potential. It should be obvious that people absorb and process information differently. Some learn best through hands-on experience, others through discussion, reflection, or visualization. But doesn't it follow that if schools continue forcing a one-size-fits-all learning model, students will struggle to engage fully, leading to frustration, disengagement, and a lack of confidence in their ability to learn? Education must help students identify their unique learning styles so they can optimize their comprehension and retention of knowledge. A Type 5, the investigator Enneagram learner, deeply introspective and analytical, may excel in self-directed, research-heavy learning, while a Type 7, the enthusiast, who thrives on energy and novelty, learns best through interactive, engaging activities that keep them stimulated. If schools fail to recognize these differences and rely solely on traditional, lecture-based teaching, students will either feel restricted by rigid methods or struggle to maintain focus. Instead, schools should incorporate NLP-based cognitive assessments and Enneagram insights to help students discover how they naturally process information, allowing them to tailor their learning for maximum efficiency. Techniques such as visualization, hands-on practice, discussion, and reflection must be integrated into education to accommodate diverse learning styles. An INTP logician who enjoys deep conceptual exploration benefits from theoretical discussions and problem-solving exercises, while an ESFP entertainer who thrives on real-world application learns best through hands-on, experiential learning. If education only prioritizes reading-based or lecture-driven instruction, kinesthetic and auditory learners will struggle to absorb and apply information effectively. Schools must implement a variety of learning strategies, ensuring that students can engage in ways that resonate with their natural cognitive strengths, making learning more effective and enjoyable. Self-awareness of one's learning preferences empowers individuals to take control of their educational journey and maximize their effectiveness. A Type 1, the reformer, who values structure and efficiency, may benefit from highly organized study routines, while a Type 9, the peacemaker, who thrives in relaxed, harmonious settings, may excel when given flexible learning environments without high-pressure competition. If education fails to teach students how to recognize and adapt to their own learning styles, they will struggle with self-directed learning and personal growth beyond formal education. Schools must integrate reflection-based learning, where students actively assess their progress, refine their approaches, and experiment with learning techniques that align with their strengths. The future of school reform depends on shifting from standardized, rigid teaching models to dynamic, personalized learning pathways. It is time now to replace outdated educational structures with learning environments that recognize and accommodate diverse cognitive styles. If schools continue ignoring the importance of personalized learning, they will produce students who lack confidence in their abilities, struggle with retention, and fail to cultivate a passion for lifelong learning. The challenge isn't whether this shift is needed, it's whether we are ready to redesign education so that every student has the opportunity to learn in a way that is natural, effective, and empowering for them.